Here's why my product is good for you. Forget all the stuff that's bad about it.
Yeah.
You don't need to know that, but here's why it's good for you. I can make that pitch about anything. Like, give me a drug that you shouldn't be taking. I'll tell you all the things that are good about it. I can find it. Angel dust. PCP.
Yeah.
I don't know what any of these things are, by the way, okay? I can make a compelling case if I was given enough time for why cocaine is good for you.
Mm-hmm.
Forget the downsides. I can make a compelling case for why crack is good for you. Forget the downsides. That's marketing.